Watch this, watch this. You see that dude down there? I'm gonna knife him. Ready? Watch this shit.
He jumped out there.
It's alright, only Stoffel died. And no casualties.
Dude.
Oh, come on.
I'm waiting for something to happen, Jared.
Where's the scope clean? Where are they? Oh, where? I can't see. Oh,
What do you mean, where?
I'm not using a sniper. Hold on, I'll be a distraction. You guys shoot.
Jared, why did you do this nice Scout Elite?
What
You
made
took
it
the
better?
variable zoom scope.
You don't
Why are
need
you
a
using a
variable.
Scout Elite? You should have a goal. Boy, I'm gonna go kill him.
I don't
Look
know.
at that building. Bailey, look at the building.
It's hard
Trust me.
to for an extended period of time.
Yeah, we'll just glance at it, alright? You'll see why.
Jared's got the pussies.
Oh my god,
Sup,
I just died. I can't believe that worked. No, so
I
you
saw-
know there was like
I saw
5
three
snipers over there?
glints. Yeah, I saw a glint and then I just saw
So,
an explosion of
No,
blood and everyone was
because I
dead.
spotted them and then I just got spot assist, spot assist, spot assist. And I was like, oh my god, he actually did it.
8 of 9. Are you fucking kidding me, Jared?
Suck it, I'm 7 of 9, loser.
Yeah. I'm 6 of 9. Oh, you know what? You know what? Triton's a good ute to what
James,
they are.
you could buy a green Jeep
When they
Have
open...
you thought of a BMW M2 CS?
at a GT Falcon.
The Shelby Cobra.
James,
Oh,
have you
yeah,
thought
I bought
about
one
a
of them.
C63? In RS3. James, have you thought about a Hyundai Veloster Turbo?
That was terrible advice.
Have you thought about an X-Class?
Fucking
Thought
ombre
about
at
shutting
work.
up, like honestly.
Ombre at work's like going
Can we
to get
normalize
Yaris.
shutting the fuck up, please?
Oh my god, I'm so over it.
That's my favorite meme. The normalize this, normalize that. LMAO, normalize shutting the fuck up.
All
Bro,
these companies
Southern
are, like,
Highlands
angry.
rock radio is so gay.
No one, I just don't care,
Dead
honestly.
set.
That's
But
probably
they-
Nah,
Triple J.
nah, Triple J
Anyway,
is a lot better than
The,
Triple
the
M,
only
bro.
good thing I find
No, I
about
can't
Triple M
stand
is
it.
I can tell the time of the day by what song's playing.
Nah,
Because they play the exact same playlist.
that's what I'm saying. Yeah,
every
Triple
day.
M is shit. At least Triple J has new shit on it.
No,
That's
I'm
me.
not saying Triple J is bad.
I can't stand the
like Triple J.
people on Triple J.
Yes, Stoffel,
Like,
I
shut
feel you
up.
there.
So my phone died the other day on the way home. Very unfortunate. Couldn't listen to my Spotify right.
Yeah,
So I
no.
had to tune into the radio. Shit was stupid.
Just put on one.
Alright. So and the
It
only
doesn't matter,
one-
Bailey. All
I-
radio stations are bad.
I only
Just
know
Spotify.
Tino 1.3 right as a code, right? But
Yeah.
you can get it in
Oh,
Southern
shit.
Highlands, right?
Yeah,
So
of course.
it was already tuned into Nova. So I
you
was
get
like,
Wave FM with,
uh,
out there.
Listen, I don't know what the fuck Wave FM is.
It's a GTA
um,
station.
James,
The
James,
Los
James,
Angeles Rock.
James.
Anyway,
Yes,
so I'm listening to Nova, and they're like, "We've got YouTuber KS." I'm like, "What? How the?"
It could be worse.
So
making it
dead
like a
set,
voice.
no joke. KSI comes on the radio station, right? And it's just boomers. They're like, "So you make money by just posting videos on the internet?" And I'm like, "Man, are you kidding me? This is what we're doing."
Are you
How do
kidding me?
He comes on, he's like, "What's up, guys? Today we."
Comedy show.
And then he does a fucking retarded laugh.
Jared, yes.
Makes it. Stop getting shot
That's
at.
good,
That's
JDM.
spawn on you and help you. Stop getting shot at. Run away so long. That's spawn on you and help you.
I was trying to build like Fortnite, but it wouldn't let me.
Build.
Cat. Oh,
I mean,
Stopple.
you're in the wrong battlefield if you want to build. That's like Battlefield 1.
No, it's Battlefield 5.
Battlefield 5.
It's one of them.
Dumb.
No, it's
One of
5.
the wars.
Jeez,
Not
you're
one.
dumb, James.
Is it the more interesting war with the gas and the Jews?
They both
I-
have that.
Am I just like
I
can't
like
be the only one
I'm
that
pretty
thinks
sure I
like World
mentioned-
War One was just
I-
the most boring thing to learn about, but World War Two was where it was at.
Nah.
Fucking gas, Nazis, zombies.
no, James, that's a
Um,
game. That's not real life.
But it
James,
probably weighs
a hard
lot
plastic
more.
gun like that is pretty much like a police baton compared to a gun.
Exactly. I'd rather
Okay,
shoot
no,
my face
don't
and
compare it
get
to a
butt
police baton because that's designed to smack someone's head in.
Yeah, but It would hurt a lot. Still hurts a lot less than getting hit in the head with a metal gun.
Okay, lads, we are fucking gonna pop
I
off.
feel like we should put this to the test.
Do you have?
Do you have a police
do you
baton?
do you have a baton?
I got like
Okay,
That
James.
one
Here's,
broom handle.
here's the rundown. You're gonna piss in my mouth.
Oh,
That's right,
The
fine.
victory won't go
I'm pretty
like
sure- I'm
that.
pretty
You have them a lot.
Honestly, all the time. Like, yeah. Like, once I beat Jared in like a verbal argument, and I just,
That doesn't happen, but okay.
It happened once.
Does he beat you in physical arguments?
No.
What's a physical argument? That
Punching.
much of a Fight?
Yeah, that just be
No, I'm a man
I
of.
challenge
I'm a
you
man of,
to a physical argument.
Yeah, trial by combat.
If
Barefoot
I
suit.
have twins, I'm gonna name them both Kim, so I can say I have a Kimbo.
No.
Shit joke.
Please don't.
Kimbo children.
Yeah, no. Some
Sorry,
people like
shooting
name their kids like just set up to be bullied, like Stopple. Yeah,
No,
I'm
but
gonna name
it's
my
not
child
people, it's
Jordan, bro.
Can you
Res me.
stop rezzing him
I'm gonna
with
name
Res
my,
me.
hell?
I'm gonna name my child these nuts.
Hey Bailey.
Mate, he married Grimes.
Jordan, I was facing the wrong way.
Ooh, gosh.
Oh, okay.
Fuck you, Stopple.
Before.
Probably was my problem.
John, stuff.
I wouldn't personally.
Hey, there's like 20 people on the ground here.
Jared. Oh god.
Hey,
He killed me.
I'm
Nice
gonna
slug.
do it.
Off of your arsehole.
Wait, why is my defib say out of ammo? What the? I didn't realize.
out of
Bro.
Go Bailey, be free.
Oh shit. It's almost a full race.
Yeah, because I did it, not fucking random.
Not Stopple, you mean?
No, I thought it was good.
No, he isn't.
Don't be like that, Bailey.
I don't think
He's
I've
going
got a
better
full
than
health race
you.
with Stopple.
Baby.
Yeah,
do you
he
mean?
kills.
What? Stop! Stopple, I saw that. Stopple, this is a res.
You hold it down.
They've run into my shotgun.
That was
Bailey,
bad, Bailey.
trap.
That was bad. I shouldn't have even revived you. I should've-
Oh,
Shotgun. Fuck off.
oh,
Bro,
Bailey was
you
running on
squad
the
wiped
joining.
this.
Stopple.
okay. Hey, Jared, have you worked with Ken?
No, I don't think I have.
Who's Ken?
You sure?
I'm gonna die.
Can you shut up?
Who's Ken? Oh,
Jared, can you fucking pull your weight, man? Like, honestly.
Yeah. You calling Jared fat?
well, fat dick.
Imagine just having like a penis that just weighs like 15 kilos.
I thought he was going to stop after the penis then.
Like you would legitimately have to change the way you do things. Like, gets in the car. Like, you know, like, in, like, the passenger seat, you would just have to constantly just...
James, what are you talking about? I zoned out
James,
for a
now
bit.
you understand. Now you understand how hard it is for me, James.
if someone had a 15 kilo penis.
That's what he wants.
What I do
That's
is
what
I
he
make
wants.
it so it just hangs out. So people don't quite know what it is, but they're like, is that what I think it is? But they can't really tell. Yeah, like,
I don't think
properly
anyone's
staring
like
at it.
looked at someone's dick and they're like, is that a penis?
Where is forward?
To
That's not a
go
direction.
forward. That's the direction.
Give him the
man.
compass direction.
That's
Go
like a
shut
Bailey.
up.
Why are we all in this chopper?
'Cause this is the cool chopper.
This is a bad
Can I fly though?
idea.
Because I'm better.
No.
I was about to crash. Once you say that.
Okay,
Alright, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
this is the funny
Don't
chopper.
worry, don't worry about it.
Remember when Jared was chasing that dude and the guy just pulled like a mad maneuver and Jared just went straight into the building?
Do you
Yeah, I
guys,
remember that.
do you guys
That
want
was-
to
I
try
was like,
something?
nah, Jared's got it, he's good.
James, do a
Look.
backflip.
You need heaps of altitude. Nah, we're dead, lads.
Go
You
up
need to
to
be
that
like,
limit and do a backflip.
yeah, go.
We're
Bailey,
gonna need a fucking JDM or something. Someone's gonna figure out how to JDM us on a map with no fucking jets. I think that's
Oh,
hard.
do you see those boats out there?
okay,
That's a
flip,
rocket.
flip. Yo, let's
Oh
go.
shit. Oh shit.
Pull up. Pull up.
I am
pull
pulling up.
Pull
I'm
up.
pulling-
Pull up. Okay, so everyone hop out. Everyone hop out. Everyone, put C4 right here. Don't blow it, please. Like,
Is it
everyone
right
got C4?
bumper?
Okay.
Left trigger.
Now,
fire.
only one person climb in. One,
Oh,
please.
fuck.
Okay, ready? Everyone. Oh
Oh,
no,
threw me out of it.
Bailey. Oh.
Why can't I see Jared?
Forward, no,
Quickly.
speed.
We have to do it quick then.
I can get up on this right here.
Come to here, come to here.
Oh,
Oh my god, are you serious?
Oh,
Bang.
fuck.
How
Blue
many
V.
wheat bigs do you do, James?
Blue V. It has to be blue V. Actually, I had a bit of green V the other
He's
day.
dodging the question.
James, are you on the Facebook page? Blue V?
He probably
I
doesn't
am
do.
not.
He probably doesn't have any wheat
yeah,
bigs.
it doesn't have any nerd.
You son of a bitch.
He's still-
Shane
he's
Warne
still
is
wheat bigs.
disappointed.
He has.
Shane.
Do you know how many wheat bigs?
That sounds like
Wheat
a
bigs?
Telltale's game thing. It's like, you know, the thing where it's like so and so will remember that.
It may fall out,
Warner
bro.
is disappointed.
Yeah, Tim Cahill's next, bro. He's gonna be pissed.
Do you know how many he has?
I count my a V as breakfast, so technically I have
terrible.
breakfast every
Yeah.
day.
You count it in heart palpitations. Can
Dang,
wait?
no.
Can,
kids starving
can you-
right now. Would kill to have food, and you're just like, yeah, nah, have it, don't want it.
have a.
Yeah. Well, you know what I have
Don't-
been doing lately that I need
don't
to, that
want
I
it
need to
in there.
stop doing? Been spending a bit of money with the Munch truck.
Got food. Don't
Lunch
want it
trucks are
though.
so expensive.
They're like
have-
$8 for two
I
of
have
them. That's
food.
$4
Just
a
don't want it in there. Oh,
James will be drinking just like battery juice soon.
Yeah.
He's
What's wrong with
just
that?
Like car
Tips it on-
batteries.
He's
Car
tipped it
battery,
on.
bro.
Surely you would throw it
Just
in the
cracks the
oven before you
cap,
drink it.
tips it back.
I fish them out of the ocean and drink the acid out of them.
You know,
How do you guys express their emotions? We just pick up car batteries like monkeys and chuck them in the ocean.
reject modernity, return
Return
to
to fish.
ocean.
Let's go fishing.
So James, are you gonna buy like a cheap shitbox Hilux and then buy a cool boat?
Maybe.
It's gonna get us
In,
going.
in the immortal words of my tradesman, Bailey, cars don't get you pussy, boats do.
Not really.
Yeah,
Is it gonna
I
say
don't
a
agree
car
with
before
it
a
either.
boat?
No, well, you get fish. It smells similar. Fucking Eureka, but man,
Dude, 'cause
you
you
get
can
too
smell
much. James gets too much pussy. You can't handle it.
He's eating
Just-
other
oh
things.
fuck! He's like driving.
James is
up,
eating
James,
fucking
just
Latin.
fuck me, please, James.
He's like, nah, nah,
Let me
not
guess.
happening, not happening.
Bitch, get off my dick. I'm trying to drive.
Yeah.
So we'll have some of this. No, don't take my grenade launcher. Give it back.
Where'd you find that, Bailey?
Give me back my grenade launcher. No!
You ain't kill anything with it anyway, Bailey. What are you worried
Dude, it's a
about?
one shot.
You need two.
No, this is a bathtub.
She's sure.
Your head, mate. I'm in your head.
It's not just the bunker. James, how the fuck did you survive that?
Wait, so are you leaving stuff all? Yes or no?
Nah, I don't think so.
my
Just all
God,
talk
this-
club.
I'll talk.
Why,
something
do you
similar.
want to play DLC if you want to do that?
No, I was only gonna leave if you were gonna leave.
Ooh. Looks like I'm in charge around here. Jared,
Shut the
I'm
fuck
doing
up,
all
bitch.
Real question. You're either shit louder or piss louder.
Free.
So no head?
Ooh, for me? For me?
Oh, me?
Get in, retard.
Stop. You learn how to drive.
This is
You
fun.
learn how to shut up.
No. No.
See this funny moment?
When's that old cunt in the British fucking Royal Family gonna die?
You're lucky I spawned in you. Holy shit, you're bad. Stop! I would literally pay you so much money just if you didn't talk.
Ooh.
Yeah, bro.
3 kills in 20 minutes. Fun.